Hi dears, today I've made special chicken fry. It's delicious and easy to make. You can serve it as a party starter or you can have with rice and curry. Let's start. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken. For marination, I have taken 1 big onion finely chopped, and 5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This will give good color for the chicken. And I have taken fennel powder 1 teaspoon, peru jeeragam, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half teaspoon of pepper powder. If you need a spice, you can add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. And 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and 3 finely chopped green chili, handful of coriander leaves finely chopped. I have taken the juice of 1 small lemon and add salt to taste and mix it well. No need to add water for it. But if you feel your chicken is very dry, then just sprinkle a water and mix it well. The marinated chicken I'm keeping in a refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours, or you can keep it overnight. After 1 hour, I've taken it out from the refrigerator. You need 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. Add both the flour and mix it well. Keep the flame in medium. Oil should be hot when you add the chicken, otherwise the masala layer will come out. Fry both the sides in medium flame so that the masala coating should not come out and to get a good color. After cooking in a medium flame, now reduce the flame to low and cook both the sides. Try this easy and delicious chicken. If you like this recipe, I will link few chicken recipes in the description box below. Before frying the second batch, remove all the burnt remains, then add the marinated chicken. Thanks for watching.